come to Hyderabad. This is where it is. People love saris and stuff. Wow. So I fell in love with the Sudha. That's how it is. It's like, I want to love myself. I want to love people around me. I don't want to take it for granted. I never consider myself a star or whatever. I consider myself an actor.
Hi, welcome to another Sudha Saturday episode, and we have somebody super stylish, super gorgeous, super famous and beautiful, Anita Chaudhary, with us. And you must have seen her everywhere on the screen, but then I would name a couple of movies. Nuve Nuve, Chhatrapati, and the list would go on. I think it was 25 years of
29.
29.
I just completed 28.
28 years in the cinema, so I'm sure everybody would know her and wouldn't need much introduction. And we'll start our chat show with you. And this is a very, very casual talk. So, want to know about. Did you want to be an actor, or how did it happen?
I never had a plan of becoming an actress, basically. It just happened.
Just happened?
It just happened. I was into classical dance. I was with learning Kuchipudi and folk with my guru, Sri Anil Kumar. I was like in my 10th grade or so. Then summer holidays came and we were doing a ballet of Ambedkar, Dr. Ambedkar Garu. That's how I got recognized by one of the very well-known television and film actor, Mr. Ashok Rao Garu. At that point, it's in 90s. Wow. So, and that's how it happened. I never had a plan, so I never know like how it happened. I never had. I wanted to dance actually.
Right.
But this is more than what I was planning for my future. But this is how it happened.
And what was the first movie when it came to you? How did it feel like?
So basically, I started my career as a television host. I did too many shows like as an anchor. Then acting was not my debut, but I started as an anchor. And then this full-length title role called Kasturi happened around 98 or so. The director is very famous, and I did the first daily soap on Enado television called Kasturi. Otherwise, I did bits and pieces, but I was not really focused. And the teenage is like you don't know what
you don't know what you're doing. Yeah, you must be so young, and it'll be like it'll be exciting to do.
Just came to me like this, and besides exciting, I would say that I was too confused of what I wanted to do with my life. So television happened. And overnight I have become a star. Overnight is a wrong way to put it, but it took it, just like a plunge into what I was not planning to do. Yes, as I was recognized, and it was a very warm welcome because television was very small at that point.
That time.
And we were just one or two anchors to start with. So,
but I think that's bigger, right? Because everyone is watching.
Satellite was just started.
Yeah.
I was the first host on one of the top shows on Gemini channel, ETV, Ma TV.
Name it and you've done it.
Yeah, this one thing, Kasturi is the biggest milestone because that's when I recognized that okay, I can also act and I can balance out my education, career, and as an anchor in it. So Kasturi
happened like that. So tell me one thing. So if let's say a youngster is watching you and she or he wants to just start something, what is that advice you'll give? I'm sure times are different for sure. Now it's something else, but still something very core to maybe acting or coming on screen. Something will be common. What would it be? What would you suggest? Discipline.
Wow. Discipline and love towards your work, and whichever whatever you choose in your life, like how you started your career. And I wanted to start off with you, but you put on you wanted to ask questions. But the moment I saw on social media, I fell in love with you both actually.
Thank you.
And then the sarees came. Then I reached you out online. Then I fell in love. You know what happens? To cut short the story, the soulmate thing happened with your sarees.
Wow.
I really fell in love. You won't believe. And I think one of you, I kept chatting and talking. We were on phone call also. I was telling you, come to Hyderabad. And this is where it is. People love saris and stuff.
Wow.
So I fell in love with the Sudha. That's how it is. It's like a connection, soul connection.
Oh, thank you.
So that's what I wanted to start to begin with. But you know, this is it.
You just made me like forget every question, and I'm like, wow. You made my day.
Discipline happens. That's how it happens, right? And the dedication, the commitment.
I think you have to treat this like not a temple, but something like
very religious.
Yeah, you have to come to it every day.
Yeah.
Show up every day.
So that's what I tell. I don't want to go there like educating the next generation, because the generation, forget about the change of generation. Every second, everything is changing, and people, the youngsters are too smart these days. I mean, like it is happening. Like you know, the whole 28 years still I feel very new.
Wow. It's such a good thing to say, huh?
Yeah. Every day.
I think I've seen all successful people say that. Honestly, I feel like how you're saying every day treat it as a new. I think even now, if somebody comes with a new role, you'll be as excited as you were then.
Oh yeah. Other day I signed Nani's film. You know, actor, hero.
I know. Yeah.
I was doing that film. This is like what 100th film or more than that. I still bother. You know, the girl who really takes care of myself. I keep on bugging her. Ki, you know what? I should be on time. My costume should be this.
Wow.
My hairdresser, my makeup. Even before a day, I'll be like very agitated. I'll be very, stressed out and tense until the first shot happens. This is the same. So I feel that this is not what is happening these days. You don't have to go through that. You know, the bumps and the road which we all.
I think you don't take it for granted even one day. I think that's what.
I get stressed out even now. I get stressed out because I'm here. If it is 12, I'm here by 11:40, and I'm, what is happening? So it's like sounds so silly and stupid.
But it's so beautiful. No, I think it's what makes you. That's what. That's why people would love you to watch you, because you put so much of your love, energy, and dedication to it, and it's visible. I honestly feel that you see a person with an aura, then that's what is aura. I think when I saw you, I knew you are like a beautiful, big person. You know, like you've done. How do I put it? Like, if you don't treat yourself nice, you will never treat your work nice, and it will be visible.
That's what I keep telling people. Like, you know, love yourself, treat yourself, discipline yourself, instead of like, you know, getting out and giving lengthy speeches and kind of, you know, mentoring people. I don't do that. I am a learner until I'm alive on this beautiful, universe. I want to love myself. I want to love people around me. I don't want to take it for granted. I never consider myself a star or whatever. I consider myself an actor, and it's a learning process. Like, you know,
you're so humble.
What happens when I come here? I keep coming on and off. Like I'm like looking at the saris. I feel it. Whenever I have to tell you, this is a very, I haven't shared anything about this part of mine. I always end up going to the place where I really feel comfortable. And in my opinion, this is one place I always come, look, feel the sari. Whether I buy it or not, I'll make sure this is the color I want. But I love this. And I feel that, and people think that I'm like really very picky and all. That yes, of course, what you wear, what you eat, what you want to do with your life, you have to be picky.
You have to be picky, yeah, true.
That's how you get.
I think that's what happens when you are in self-love mode. When you love yourself and you know where you want to see yourself, what you want to be seen in, and hence maybe the attire you choose, or the way you dress up, or the way you present yourself, everything.
Unless you know how many people ever you are surrounded with, if you don't really have a hold on yourself and you know what you want, I don't believe in that concept. People are there around, they'll take care of you. I get sometimes very upset because I feel that I need to have a hold on myself. I don't want somebody to run my life. Everything. Besides,
I just become like scattered things.
Yeah, you should have. But
I know.
Don't have a choice.
It might happen. Correct.
You don't have a choice that you need to have some assistants or whatever it
Yeah.
is. Sometimes I feel, if you're losing, I don't want to lose myself in somebody's dream.
Tell us about a role that was very critical, very difficult for you, and you felt you overcome. Maybe it need not be the best film or a best role, but some role which you found it very difficult to do.
I did Chhatrapati. I still feel that I'm not fit for the role, though the movie made its own mark forever. Rajmouli Garu's film.
Yeah.
I never thought that I'm an actor at that point, and I was really upset doing every part of the film. I'm an actor. Today I feel that okay, maybe I'm methodical or whatever. People call me that, oh, you are very natural, but still I was like, I never watched the film after 20 years. This is the 20th film, 20th years for the film. Just a week or 2 weeks before my marriage, I went and I did, and I kept on,
You didn't like yourself then?
I didn't like myself, and I know that I'm not an actor. That's when I thought that, okay, I'm just doing what people are saying, I'm not an actor. Because you have to do a role where you're blind.
Is it because you're self-critical or?
Maybe majority of us, like, if you design a saree, you 100 times criticize yourself. You wear it, you feel it, and then you release it. It's like that. And it's like that moment I thought like, I should go back home. I'm not fit for this. Because if you're not able to do, it's a challenge.
It is.
If you're not able to take the challenge, then you're not an actor. You're not a hit. You know nothing.
Yeah.
But my director gave me that confidence. He said like, you're not anchor or actor Anita Chaudhary, just forget it. And they got a nice crispy linen saree for me. Then he said like, guys, there was some the work going on, construction work. Then he called one woman who is like, doing the job with all the torn saree. He said, now that you challenge yourself, you have to wear that saree and just come back. And she's like, I can't believe that, I just blindly went there, changed the saree, and it was really in a bad shape and stinking. And then it's like getting under your skin, the role. Oh, he made me do that. Still, I didn't dare to watch myself. But the movie became super duper stupendous hit. Yeah, I still feel that I'm not that good.
Wow.
That Chhatrapati film is one of the biggest. I think I can't dare to look myself like I've done something very good. Then I have to go for another challenge. Then I can prove myself. Acha, theek hai. I'm a good actor.
Wow. Only you can say that, I think. Tell me one more thing, which is one more role, which was like you felt that you have absolutely aced it. Like nobody could have done better than you.
Oh my God! I never felt the way. No? People keep telling me, and
okay, what is people's favorite then?
People's favorite? I don't know. Oh, that's the television show.
Television show.
That's the first daily soap on South channels. Okay, that's. People still call me Kasturi.
Kasturi, yeah.
People still, talk
they
about the guy who cheated me in the film, my husband. And he's like, why did you get married to this guy? I'm like, it's been 25 years for God's sake. I did, but the guy is good outside. That's the thing.
If it sticks to people's heart, means, you've done something like that, impactful, great.
Every credit goes to my directors. Seriously, I don't take any credit. I should start taking the credit for
Please do.
I'll do. From today, I'll do.
Please do.
I'll take the credit.
Okay.
That serial gave me a humongous family in this world. Other day I was in a press meet that I was talking about. People are shouting the names of my movies and shows. I said like, I still feel that strange and very. I keep the ground very tight. Like I don't want to lose that. People, how much ever they say that I'm the best, I feel that it's a learning. Until 100 years or like how many years you want to go for that perfection, which is a process.
So I have imposter syndrome. So I really sometimes feel like when people recognize me as Sue, and I'm like, I'm not nothing. I just own a sari. But why are you saying that? Like, are you a fan? Like, why are you saying, are you a fan? I've done nothing, and people come and say, thank you for opening something like this.
Yeah.
like I've not done anything, you know.
See, that's what it is. You don't want to take credit. But at one point, I think.
But I think we should. I think
We
as
should.
women generally do it. You think that women do that a little
No,
more?
not all the women, I think.
No?
People I have.
You met.
I met people who take credit for nothing. Absolutely nothing.
I would not like that at all.
I would not like that,
Yeah,
but
yeah.
I just.
But we can be a little more. Maybe I should feel something less.
These days, I've become brazen. Like at one point in your life, you're like tired of being nice, humble. It's there in the blood, but still, I'm like.
Own up. Like sometimes you say that.
Yeah, I am trying to say that's the change.
It's a
what
good
I
change.
say.
Anyway,
It is, but people won't accept it because they want you, how much ever, like the day one how you are, they want you rest of your life that way.
Not easy.
Yeah,
Not easy to keep up, right?
It is not easy. Sometimes I get.
For you, how is it difficult? Because you're a social figure, like a public figure, and people would know you like this. Normal life, how different are you? Or you feel it's become same?
How different am I? These days I'm like too blunt. Upfront. Because I thought at one point I have to have a, say. Nobody is asking me to be humble. Nobody is asking me to be nice. It is like what you are, like what I am. But sometimes I feel suddenly that I think I should
Put your foot down.
Stop being really nice, and I have to tell that okay, that's it.
Take
it easy, okay? I know. On screen you have to act. I know. I'm not a person who want to act. I don't want to act. I'm like people, whether they like it or not, I'll say that acha theek hai. Even if it is not good, I used to be like, okay, it is good.
Yeah,
and
but
it's if you are not being,
it troubles you,
transparent to the people around you, then it bothers you.
Yeah, it does.
I feel very guilty. I would have said that. And
but now you have become.
I go back and say that, if I'm sorry, that day I'm not going to say sorry because I'm upset. If I'm saying sorry, then I'm like, not being that open person all the time. Then I say that I'm sorry. But you have done this. So that discipline comes to me back and forth.
And discipline helps. You set yourself in a path. And I feel it's easy to achieve that. Yeah. Otherwise, if you don't do that, you are lost. You can't suddenly become that. You have to keep doing slowly, and then you become somebody. Like I think you're putting foot down. I think you would have done it with a lot of discipline. Yeah.
I have people say that if you are not talking, you don't know people, you don't want to talk, but still it is okay. Earlier, I used to have people used to have a different opinion about she's very arrogant, she's very whatever. The moment they start working with me or getting to know me, then it is like, acha, you are like in the shell. So it was.
Are you an introvert or?
I am not.
Not an introvert.
I love people and I meet. All my shows are like public shows I did. I was never introvert. I'm very vocal about what I feel and all, but it's like keeps changing. Like sometimes. I don't want to say that as you age old, I don't believe in all that. But yes, I feel.
But with age, some things come for sure. I think that's also practice. It is just practicing and becoming a better you.
That's an everyday process.
It is.
At least when you're somewhere not normal in a normal world. Yeah, it's like sometimes it is. Yeah.
Alright. Okay, we'll do the last segment. I'll just ask you. I'll give you a couple of words, and I'll give you random words. Okay, and whatever comes to your mind, one more word.
I'm very bad with all this.
It's okay. It's not a quiz. It's just what do you feel right now.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Sari.
As I said, it's a soulmate thing for me.
Wow. Okay. Home.
Family.
Acting.
My world. Besides my family.
Curly hair.
Should I say that I never liked it?
No.
Yeah, I never liked it.
What? You look amazing.
I know. I just discovering myself actually. Qualities, good qualities. Like,
I love it.
I never liked it.
Oh, wow.
I had this huge hair and I literally chopped it.
You look beautiful. You look like I can somebody's drawn it on you like.
It just happened with my son who just turned 16. He suddenly made me feel that he has more than me, the curls and everything. Then he started giving me all the tips how to manage and all. That's when I started loving it.
You look lovely. Okay. Love.
It comes from within, and I always wanted to spread love. I do that actually.
Yeah, you do, I think. Yeah.
I practice and I preach and everything.
Yeah.
Love is something. For me, love is something you don't have to learn from anybody to love anything.
It's a basic instinct.
It is a basic instinct. Like how you're hungry. Then love is like that.
Right. I think I'll end it with that because it's so beautiful. You summed it up so well. Thank you so much for being here.
Yeah.
Thank you everyone for watching this, and I hope we get to meet again and again.
Oh yeah,
and,
thank you so much for setting this store in Hyderabad, because I'm a Hyderabadi and I really love the vibe of the store, and you especially, you don't believe, and even if you don't record it, it's fine.
No, record it.
I think during the lockdown, I think even just before the COVID, I'm not a social media kind, and somebody else manages my pages and all until recently. So when I just saw the Instagram thing, like, oh my god, what is she doing? Then I realized it's about saris. I thought you were an actor. No.
Wow.
Yeah. Until recently, I thought you are a model and you are just promoting the brand.
Oh.
Then I started, exploring more.
Okay.
Then checking on everything, all your videos and all. You and your sister.
Yeah.
And then I was telling Raji also the same. You have to look into all that. You know how beautifully. I never knew that anybody could go that extent. All the craziest
thing.
I have to say, I have become your fan. Especially you.
Thank you.
Such
oh my god.
Thing. I really I have to say, I keep telling people, I keep telling all my colleagues, all my friends who are like legends, top stars and singers and all, they all buy your sarees.
Thank you.
You
my
don't
god.
even know them.
Yeah. I'm like
Sunita is a top singer in South, very prominent and top. So she wears your sarees and most of my friends.
I think because of you guys, we are where we are. Otherwise, I don't think it would have been possible, because we come from no business background. Nobody in the family no money backing, right? Because we just, father is a railway officer, so
it just happened. Just like that?
So me and my sister both are engineers and MBAs.
Yeah, that I read about.
Yeah, so for us, there was nobody in business, but we studied business. So because we like working with weavers, we've grown up with going to villages, because obviously father didn't have money to take us for holidays. He would take us to random villages.
Yeah.
And then
we all had the same problem.
So I learned from weaving then, like seeing how weave is, what kind of fabric it is. And then once we joined corporate world, me and my sister were like, what is this artificial world? Like everyone is chasing money, everyone is like competing and being nasty. And I just felt, why can't we create a happy place and we actually employ people and do it like with a lot of love.
For that also, I have, I saw all your videos and all this stuff, and I thought, oh, this is what it is.
Yeah, because if you feel, right, feel there's a lot of warmth in the product. A lot of people have said that, what is it different from your brand and any other brand? I said, because we put a lot of effort. It's all our designs. It's all
the discovering love and spreading love.
It's
all interlinked.
It is, and that's why maybe that's where the connect, right? Maybe when you come here, you felt like it because of that. Because we also put in a lot of hard work and genuine effort.
Yeah, I can see that. And the first online shop, I don't know how to, go online and buy anything. The first saree I bought is yours. I wore in US for one of the event, and the polka dot bottle green with the black border. That's the first saree.
Wow. Oh my god, that's a firefight polka.
Yeah,
I think.
I wore some mix and I think I wore the regular, cotton blouse and everybody loved it. I'll share that picture. I think you or your sister I was interacting with, she said like share the picture. I did, but I never posted the picture on social media yet because few things I don't like to share with people.
Yeah, because your life is so for everybody to see and be a part of.
I don't. They all, my team always ask me that why don't you show the picture, share it, and like
I've started not showing.
You have to feel it. And you want to share it, then only I'll show you. That's my...
Maybe it's something I'll learn from you. Because for me, it's so difficult. Like, I didn't come from fame, right? I became famous through this. So now I know when people recognize me, I'm not sure now whether to share. Am I oversharing?
No,
I...
That's your journey.
Okay.
That's your journey. You don't have to change anything. That's your journey. That's how people started loving you guys and the whole creation.
Okay.
But this is what it is. I seriously felt that. I don't know how. Majority of my friends are like, run on their own, or the designer gets something. Even my designers, they get something, but I come back. Majority of the times, I ask my designers to go check. For a film also, whatever the costume I'm wearing, I want to feel better.
Good, yeah.
I just don't wear anything which, wo chupta hai. I tell the designer, the costumer, get me something soft. I don't want to wear anything. They think that attitude, whatever is pinky. I'm like, no.
I'm glad you're like this.
Yeah. What if I wear good clothes? I give good performance.
Yeah, true. And you'll be more yourself. So.
Yeah, whether it is makeup or hair or whatever, if you're not feeling it, then
it will be visible. Yeah.
It is visible, of course. For me, it is visible. Majority they don't. They don't feel anything for the costume, what they wear. They're like, Dalia, change. I'm like very. So that's what.
That's why you are where you are.
Thank you. There's a connection. I just wanted to make it. At one point, I thought I'll let you guys know, post something or whatever. But the universe speaks something, and it gives some opportunity. Otherwise you are on the other side of the world, and I'm here. Why Sudha is in Hyderabad? Why you're here? Why I'm here?
Yeah, so, we had to connect, and maybe we'll do something together. It'll be so lovely.
Yes, thank you so very much.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you guys.
Oh my God.
You are very beautiful. Usually I don't meet people outside my
I know.
Word.
Yeah.
That is, even if I say something.
Yeah, for you taking your time for this, it's such a big thing.
I'm like, you don't know that I love Sudha, right?
I don't know that you love so much.
So I wanted to take an opportunity to meet and tell you that you have done an amazing job creating all this stuff.
So much. Thank you. Oh my God. I never thought you'd be so beautiful.
And she always changes like anything. Right?
I do.
Nobody dares to do that. It's very normal.
And I do such weird
very openly. I mean, like wearing a sari. I think people started watching your videos and showing how to drape a sari and stuff. She's like, I'm like, I'm one of the, I was telling my maid at home, I can't wear a sari. You acted in so many films. I'm like standing like this all the time.
Really?
Yeah. Since I started my career, these days I'm wearing because of your sari. I'm not exaggerating. It is very easy to wear your sari.
Yes. Yeah.
Other day I was going for one event. I come here. I tell them, I have this audio function. I have this press meet, and I want to be very simple. So I'll find something. I'll buy mix and match, wear it before because I want to make it easy for my life. I don't want to just wear anything anymore. So that thing until you feel comfortable.
I know, you feel.
Yeah.
That's what the idea of Sudha was that. Make something comfortable so that people are happy in their own skin. And also, sari is so peaceful, right?
Yeah.
Nothing is so pretty as sari.
The way you carry is also, one thing.
Yeah, of course.
They won't, fit into that category. But I don't know. I didn't know what is Sudha. I didn't know it is a mixture of both.
Sudha.
Then I started exploring, and I was telling everybody. Yes. Only one. If I have to say it offline, the medium-sized blouses are not here.
I will get many medium-sized.
I keep complaining. I buy the sari, then I leave because there is no.
Call me every time. If there is not, I will make sure it is here.
That's not the complaint. Maybe medium-sized women are more in Hyderabad.
It's everywhere, and it's always in birthdays, and I don't know how it's always. I make sure it's like store is full of mediums because it's easy to get it up and down, so we're just making it.
At one point, I was leaving to US. The courier didn't come, and I spoke to one of you. And can you send somebody to Mumbai? I said like, wow, you should come to Hyderabad. Can you pick up these blouses from Mumbai? Then I asked one of my friends who works for Bollywood. I told him he lives somewhere, very far from your store. And he went and picked it up and couriered it to US. Yeah, that's what.
Why do you mean?
Because it will take 7 days or whatever. I really wanted to wear that. And then during the lockdown, second phase or something.
Maybe we're not that prepared also.
At that point.
So now we can.
Yeah. Yeah, 7 days is too much for me.
Yeah, no, we went not much.
No problem. Yeah, just 7
But
days.
now you can tell me personally. You take my number, you can tell me. M is not here.
Yeah, I want to go down.
And then personally,
I have to go back to S actually. So there are so many S's. I should put my effort also.
No, you. Oh my God.
No, I would not. Like, my family made me so much. My family and this girl and this lady who is standing with me, like she keeps on feeding you all the time and she keeps on getting fed all the time. I scold all the time.
Thank you for coming.
Yeah, I was just wondering you had to rush and all, so I went there and I came.
Because you work so.
No, why?